Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to redeem a vanilla gift card on Amazon. Now, before we dive in, there's something crucial you need to understand. A vanilla gift card works differently than a standard Amazon gift card. You can't simply redeem it through the typical gift card section. Instead, you'll need to add it as a debit or credit card during the checkout process. Don't worry though, I'll walk you through every step to make this as smooth as possible. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in before proceeding, as you'll need access to your cart and checkout options. Now here's where things get a bit different from what you might expect with regular Amazon gift cards. Since the vanilla card functions as a prepaid debit card, Amazon treats it like any other payment card you'd use at checkout. This means you'll add it directly when you're ready to purchase, not through the gift card redemption page. Next, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Cart. If you haven't added anything yet and want to browse first, feel free to search for an item you'd like to purchase. Once you've got something in your cart, you're ready to move forward. If you happen to have multiple items in your cart, you'll want to uncheck the boxes next to any items you don't want to purchase right now. This ensures you're only buying what you intend to with your vanilla card balance. After you've sorted that out, locate the Proceed to Checkout button in the right panel and click it. You'll now be asked to select your delivery address. Choose the address where you'd like your order shipped, or add a new one if needed. This step is standard for any Amazon purchase, so it should feel familiar. Here's the critical part. On the payment selection screen, look for the option that says Add a credit or debit card and click it. This is where you'll actually enter your vanilla gift card information. A form will appear asking for your card details. Enter your vanilla card number exactly as it appears on the front of the card. Then type in the name on card, which is typically your name or whoever the card was issued to. Next, fill in the expiration date and the security code found on the back of the card. Double check that everything is accurate to avoid any issues. Once you've entered all the information, click Add Your Card. Amazon will process this and add the vanilla card to your payment options for this transaction. Finally, review your order one last time to make sure everything looks correct, then click Place Your Order. Your purchase will be processed using the balance on your vanilla gift card, and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully used your vanilla gift card on Amazon by adding it as a payment method at checkout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.